Alright, so here's the results. I got these nylon plugs, pushed them into the holes for my license plate. Again, these are first world problems to have with a Mercedes-Benz in the USA. You know, other countries, other people have serious problems to deal with. This is mine. License plate holes. I tried larger plugs, which were a little unsightly, even with the color-coded paint on them. These are smaller nylon plugs, which, you know, don't look good close up. Far away, they're slightly unsightly. Really far, they do cover up the holes, but I'm gonna try something else here for this last one. And this is completely ghetto and very basic, but try some of this stuff right here. This is just some drywall patching material for filling in holes in walls. It starts off pink and it'll dry up white. Just gonna smush that in there. And that's it. So it looks like. Take a piece of paper and wipe down all the extra. So it looks pink, which is not ideal right now, but that's okay. That's going to dry and firm up and become white. And it'll have a nice rough texture surface to apply the paint and clear coat on top of that. So even from far away, that looks 1,000% better than the little plastic plugs. I think that's the way to go. So we're gonna take out these plugs. I can already tell, not gonna be happy with those. So here we go. Some DAP, Drydex, heavyweight spackling, drywall repair. Get yourself some of that if you've got unsightly license plate holes in your bumper. I'm being a little sloppy with it. There we go. And then just clear it away. Gently wiping it off the rest of the bumper. Tidying it up.
Later that evening.
Just like that. We filled in some holes. And I acknowledge this is quite a ghetto type of option, but you know, if you have the budget, you should certainly go to a body shop where they can sand down the bumper, bondo it, and then spray paint or blend the paint in whichever way you want, you know, for 500 or $1,000. But this is a quick fix, and that's it. It's filled up. Looks a lot better than any plugs or anything else, and even from this distance you can barely see it. So it's gonna dry up to white consistency like primer. Then you can touch it up with a little touch-up paint. Quick fix, easy, you know, a couple of bucks. And apply the clear coat at this point. And that should seal off most of the stuff. So that's what it looks like. And not perfect. I might redo this in the future. Up close you can see it, but from about 4 feet away you can barely see it. And this distance it just doesn't show up. So that's some good enough body work for now. Still got to work on filling in the grills, which I removed the standard mesh grills that were in there. I think the car looks awesome from far away. Just really, without the fog lights, it just looks a little more sportier. Up close, it's not as ideal. So I got to find something to fill that in with a plastic honeycomb type of a grill material. Alright, please like, subscribe. Let me know if you found a better way to fill in these unsightly license plate holes.